Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will break down for you how to make Google your default search engine in the Microsoft Edge web browser. It is super simple, guys, and you can do that with just a few clicks. So start by launching the Microsoft Edge web browser on your computer. And once you're on your homepage, guys, click on these three dots here in the top right corner to access your account's settings. You will find your account settings here at the bottom of that drop-down menu, so select settings. And once you're in your account settings, guys, select start, home and new tabs here from that left sidebar. And next, decide what page, like for example google.com, you would like to make your home page here on Microsoft Edge. You can do that by heading over to google.com, by copying the URL here at the top, by heading back to your account settings, and by entering google.com as the URL here. Select this option, enter google.com as your URL, and confirm by clicking on save here. Also, don't forget to enable or to select this option here, show home button on the toolbar, so that you may get redirected to google.com whenever you click on your home button. So that will make google.com your search engine, your default search engine here on Microsoft Edge. Apart from that, you can set Google as your main page whenever you open a new tab here on Microsoft Edge. To do that, simply head over to this section here at the top when Edge starts and select this option here, open these pages, add a new page here to the right, and enter google.com as your new page, so that whenever you open Microsoft Edge, Google will be your default page on your home screen. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.